Welcome friends. Now we are going to study how to calculate the atomic radius of body centered cubic crystal structure and face centered cubic crystal structure. We know that in body centered cubic crystal structure, atoms are present at the corners, and in addition to the corner atom there is an atom at the center of the unit cell. So if you take r as the atomic radius, then obviously the diameter of the atom will be 2r, and if the atoms are drawn on their atomic scale, then you will observe that the diagonal atoms along this diagonal EC will be somewhat like this, and the total distance between the centers of the atoms at E and C, it will be 4r. Since it is a body centered cubic crystal structure, the length of edge will be a, hence EH is equal to a, HG is equal to a, and GC is also equal to a. So if you apply the trigonometry, you will observe that this diagonal HC will be a root 2. Now take the right angle triangle EHC. Here will be the right angle triangle. So if you apply the Pythagoras to the right angle triangle EHG, so EC is the diagonal, EH is one side, HC is the another side, then the square of this means 4r square is equal to this a square plus a root 2 bracket square. So if you solve this, you will get 16r square is equal to a square plus 2a square is equal, this implies 16r square is equal to 3a square. It will give you r is equal to a root 3 divided by 4. That is how we can calculate the atomic radius in terms of the lattice constant a, which comes out equal to a root 3 divided by 4. So this is the atomic radius of the body centered cubic. Next, to calculate the atomic radius of face centered cubic, we know that in face centered cubic structure, atoms are present at the corners, and in addition to the corner atoms, there are atoms present at the centers of the each face. So this is the atom present at center of A, B, E, F face. This atom is at the center of F, B, C, G face, and so on. You will observe that there are 6 faces and there are 6 atoms present at the centers of each face. Now here the neighboring atoms are face centered atom and corner atom, and therefore if you take the face E, A, D, H and the diagonal of the face ED will be equal to 4r if you draw the atoms on their atomic scale. So the distance between the centers of atom E and atom D, it will equal to 4r. So this is the one of the edge of the face centered cube, which is A, and this is the another edge which is also A. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle EHD, at this H there will be the right angle. So this will be the diagonal. So 4r square is equal to a square plus a square. If you simplify this, 4r square is equal to 2a square, it will give you r square is equal to 2a square by 16, which in turn it will give you atomic radius r is equal to a root 2 divided by 4. You can also write this as a divided by 2 root 2. That is how you can calculate the atomic radius of the face centered cubic, which is r equal to a divided by 2 root 2. Thank you.